Okay, we'll take a quick look at the concept of division. Division is the opposite of multiplying, and basically division is how many times a number fits into another number. Just take a quick look at this symbol here again. A, which is here, is equal to C divided by B. Or if you want to find out what B is, just look at this triangle here. B is equal to C divided by A. Here's an example of a basic division. What we're saying is how many times does a 2 fit inside the 6, and here's a representation here. What we're saying is how many times does the 3 fit inside the 6. Here's a representation here. Here's another example of division. We've got 7 here divided by the 3, and it goes into it twice. But there's this one left over. 1/3. So 7 divided by 3 goes into it twice, and 1/3. Look at the 7 divided by 3 again and represent it in a different way. So it goes into it once, twice, and there's 1 left over here. So you could say it goes in 2R, remainder 1. So the answer 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2, remainder 1. Okay, here we're going to look at some short division again. We've got 808 divided by the 6. 6's inside the 8 will fit once, remainder 2. 6 divided into 20, go 3 times, remainder 2. 6's into 28, go 4 times, remainder 4. Okay, here we've got the division software, which you can download from LearningKeyStages.co.uk. You can select any question in any order. If I just select the first one, the question is how many times does the 3 go into 381? Over on this side you've got the mathematical assist. If you tick this check mark here, you will see that this 3 times multiplication is indicated on the side if you need that assistance, or you can deselect it if you don't require that. Okay, we've got 381 divided by the 3. 3 into 3 goes 1, carry nothing. 3 into the 8 goes twice, carry 2. 3 into 21 goes 7, and there's no remainder. So now you have 381 divided by 3. You enter your answer here in the answer box, which is 127. There is no remainder, so you just press the enter key, and the green check mark here will indicate that everything is in order and the answer is correct. Okay, for the next question we're going to look at this one here, which is the 158 divided by the 6, which is indicated here as well. 158 divided by 6. So now I've got the 158 divided by the 6. 6's into 1, can't go. 6's into the 15, go twice. Remainder 3. 6's into 38. As you know, 6 6's are 36, so you drop that 6 down there. Remainder 2. Okay, so you got the 158 divided by 6, and you enter the answer in there, which is 26, and the remainder is entered in here, which is the 2. Then you press enter. The green indicates that the answer is okay. If you click back onto the question that you've just answered, and if you just go back to the screen here, you'll see it shows the working involved. If you wanted any assistance during this question, you could have clicked this check mark here, and you would have seen the 6 times table indicated on the screen to assist you.